Pyara, dear sir, I am in receipt of your letter dated 23rd July 1972. I am very happy to note that you have very carefully examined the proposals contained in the said letter and that you are taking prompt action in the matter in the circumstances explained in your letters. I am writing to my firm at Bombay to contact you or your representative and have personal discussions on the issue. Under any circumstances, we assure you that we will place an order and execute an agreement on the lines suggested by you. Meanwhile, we shall be thankful to you if you could kindly arrange to send your latest catalog for our information. Para, we proposed to have a meeting of our board of directors very shortly, and we want to place your proposals before the board for their consideration. If the board of directors desire to visit the work spot, I shall let you know sufficiently in advance so that you may be ready with your arrangements at the work spot. One of our engineers desires to have a thorough examination at the project. We want to open a showroom as early as possible, and we look forward for your full cooperation in this regard. After the showroom is opened, we will be in a position to place the maximum orders possible. I shall be very much obliged for an early and prompt reply in the matter. Yours faithfully,